Namaste. My name is Nilesh Sinha and welcome to my channel Pilgrimage Varanasi. Today I am going to discuss about Varanasi as the name Varanasi. Before I start with my explanation, I would like you, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and watch my video till the end. Whenever we refer Kashi as Varanasi, the definition what we give, a city which is situated between the two streams. One is called Varuna, which flows in the north part of the city, and another one is called Assi, which flows in the south part of the city. So the name derived from Varuna as Varan and Assi as Assi. So Varanasi, that is how the name came into existence. Now there is another definition. The one what I have just gave it to you is one of the most popular definition of the name Varanasi. Most of the time, if you will ask somebody how the name has come to this city, they will give you this definition. There is another definition of the city, or the name rather I would say, which is Vara means a sword and Nasi means destroyer. So the place where the evil in you is destroyed or will be destroyed is Varanasi. Although Varanasi is also an ancient name, we have the mention of this name in Buddhist Jataka tales and also in Hindu epic Mahabharata. From the Pali version of the name Banarasi, the corrupted version Banaras came into existence, by which the city most widely popular today. From the beginning of medieval era with Muslims till the end of medieval era and also in the modern history with Britishers, the city was widely known as Benares. After our independence, the city got back its old name Varanasi. There are some old literature which says that city did not get its name from the two rivers Varuna and Assi, rather only from one river which used to flow in the north part of the city called Varanasi river. As we have the archaeological proof of an Vedic era city which was situated on the high plateau of Rajghat in the north part of the city, and it has been said the city at that point of time was developed on both sides of the river Varanasi. If you will ask, being a Hindu, how do I see Varanasi or Kashi? Temples are visible everywhere, and I would say the one who takes refuge in Varanasi from the worldly life. For me, this is Varanasi. When you visit the old part of Varanasi, which is situated on the western bank of the river Ganga, probably you will see the group of devotees moving from one temple to the other, or maybe they are going towards the river Ganga, and you can see the satisfaction on their faces which is visible always from their arrival till their departure. In Varanasi, there is a very famous Hindi phrase defining Lord Shiva's presence in Varanasi. We say, "Yahan kan kan mein Shankar hai." That means every molecule of the city has Lord Shiva in it. I would share one more thing over here with you, which is whenever a Hindu visits a temple, we never say that we are going to do a worship over there. Rather, we say we are going for a darshana. What does darshana means? Darshana means I am paying my visit to the temple to meet the God or to see my Lord. And the prayer what you hear in the song form or in the singing form from the temple, that also does not mean that we are asking something from him. Rather, it is more of a praising what we do and thanking him for his blessings to us, and also conveying that keep your eyes always upon us so that we flourish in our life and we stay happy always. And it is not only we, that means me, my family, my friends and the entire world. Varanasi is an amazing city rising from the western bank of the river Ganga, where the river Ganga takes a broad crescent sweep coming from the south and going towards the north. Amazing riverfront reveals the sacred city of Hindus. Another very important thing about Varanasi that this city was always a religious hub. It was never a political center in the past, unlike other ancient cities of the world. People always came here in the search of enlightenment or the knowledge. In my other videos on Varanasi, I have already explained you the importance of this city for the intellectuals and the knowledge seekers as well as for the travelers. I'm hoping that what I have just presented it to you, you must have liked it. Please press the like and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.